Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in Mailchimp platform. Due to having a wonderful landing page builder on Mailchimp, it becomes really easy. Let me show you step by step. Log into your Mailchimp account and then click on create. From this page you have three options. You can create regular email, landing page, embedded form. Since we are working on landing page, simply click on build landing page. On the next page, as you can see, a number of templates already pre-made for you, and using these templates you can generate leads, accept payments, and also you can make a sales page for your business. For this tutorial I'm taking the first one, lead generation, this one. Simply click on it and it will come up with landing page builder. In the left side, as you can see, here is the blog placement area and here is the blocks area. If you are already familiar with the classic Mailchimp template builder, then these features and this UI is also familiar with you. As you can see in the right side, here is the blog, text, box text, divider, image groups, etc. And here the style. For this landing page and tutorial, I have already prepared the contents for the Mailchimp. Here are the main headline, short subheading, a video if I have or if you have, the form with a call to action button. Here is the screenshot of the lead magnets that I'm going to use for this landing page. Here is the text blocks, which is going to be used for inspiring to download the lead magnet. Here is another button of a CTA, and at the bottom, social share button with email forwarding link. Let's go back to the builder over here. As you can see, here are a number of unwanted and unexpected things. Though it's a template, but I'm removing almost all of these sections and contents. As you can see, now this is a completely blank space to create our own landing page. As you can see, already my contents and steps are already done. So the first one is main headline. Simply highlight this area, and over here from this block area, I'm dropping this text box over here on the header section and place it. And then I'm adding our headline. Make sure it's bold, it's bigger, and it's really amazing, or at the first look it should be read by the lender or by the visitor. To make it more attractive and more eye-catching, I'm simply changing the color of the word download. If you have your brand color, simply click on more colors and then paste the color over here and then click OK. Now you should notice the color has been changed. Then click on save. Over here, as you can see, here is a subheading for this landing page. So I'm highlighting this subheading content, and over here again taking another text block, and after the headline I'm simply highlighting this text and paste over here. Let's make it little significant, make it bolder. As you can see, the headline and H2, I mean the first headline and the second headline, almost identical. So I'm changing this second headline in a smaller. So I'm selecting the heading 3. Now it looks little less significant than the main headline. Actually, this second headline, the explanation of this top headline. And after that, we're going to add something really significant, which is a video. Since the video is not prepared already, so we can add something really specific like any image. If you already have an ebook cover, then you can simply add the ebook over here and the download or form over here. And if you don't have, then you want to add any YouTube video, simply search for the video and take the link, then go back to Mailchimp email builder. Over here from this block section, you simply need to click on video and place it at the body area. On the right area, you need to place the video URL over here and click on save and close. As you can see, the video thumbnail has been driven from YouTube and then placed on Mailchimp landing page. Though the YouTube play button and the video controls are not showing up over here, but if you click on preview, then you will notice that all the features of a video player is active on the landing page. If you click over here, it will be starting playing on your landing page. But you can notice that unwanted videos are also popping up over here. Let's go back to the landing page creator. I think I should add all the contents first, then we can format based on our demand. I'm simply grabbing next section, which is form with only name and email, then download button, CTA. On here, I'm simply adding the form from right side. As you can see, here is a sign up form. I'm taking this and drop after the video. Here only email address and subscribe is written. The subscribe button is over here. I'm adding the first name. I think full name will be really fine, not the first name. And here is the button is written as subscribe. I need to change the wording. Let's scroll down and change the button as download. After form is submitted, send visitors to confirm message, or you can simply drive him to a next landing page. It can be a thank you page, it can be a confirmation message, it can be any specific web address that you want to send to after the successful sign up. For this tutorial, my suggestion is to keep the confirmation message, since you can add the main download link over here. Success, you have been added to our audience. No, you can change success, your download link is here, and then simply add the download, highlight the download text and click on link. Here are a couple of options that you can select from. Web address, you need to select on file. Once you click on file, it will drive you to the Mailchimp file management system or content management system. If your ebook or the lead magnet already saved on your Mailchimp, then simply select the file and then click on attach or replace. Since my ebook is not uploaded on Mailchimp, I'm clicking on upload. And over here, I have already prepared the email marketing guide for the tutorial. Simply selecting this PDF and click on open. Let it upload. After successful upload, the link will be automatically added to this download text. And after perfectly adding the text, you need to click insert and then click on save and close. So now the sign up form is configured. After successful sign up, the person will receive that successful message with that download link. And at the bottom, as you can see, here is a blank space, and on our content planning, here you can see screenshots of 1 to 1, I mean 2. 2 screenshots should be added over here in order to inspire my visitors. So from the right side of the blocks, I'm selecting the text plus image block and drop on this footer area or over here. From right there, click on settings and select 2, and then click on content. Over here, as you can see, 2 columns appeared when I select 2. On first column, I need to upload an image. The images are already saved on my computer. This is the first page of the PDF, and this is the second page of the PDF. I'm sharing these pages as if the visitor can have an idea what they are going to receive after successful download. Click on column 2, then select the second image as well. Click on insert. So here are 2 pages of the ebook has been added on my landing page. In order to let them know what are these pages, I'm adding a box text over here just under the sign up form to let our visitor know that what they are going to have as the email marketing guide. Save and close. And after that, I'm going to add some other contents for my visitors. So here is the text block and an ordered list. So I need to add another text block over here. Let me highlight this area and copy, then add it. Let's make it bigger, bolder, and click on save. From next area, as you can see, here is a listed area. Selecting the text, add the text block just after the headlines, highlight this text and paste it over here. After successfully adding the text, I'm selecting the download button again. So from here, from the right side, I'm adding this button over here. When you are adding the button at the bottom, then you should notice that this button is actually not linked to any other page or files. It needs to be connected to this specific sign up form, as if the visitor can sign up and download and get the access the file. I have added a headings for the sign up form and a footer text for this sign up form. And in the footer text, I have added this lock sign so that people can understand that his privacy is 100% secure. And on the code area, I have added this specific snippet, which is absolutely important for creating anchor link for this button. So I needed to do simply I have written ID equal sign, then in inverted comma I have given the ID sign up form, and then save and close. Then for this download now button, I have simply connected this button with this sign up form on this same page. Simply I have added this sign up form by adding an hash at the very beginning of this ID. So what does it create in preview mode? Whenever the person clicks over here, download now, it drives him on the sign up page area. This is a simple but very effective for the conversion. And at the very bottom, we are almost done, and we just need to add the social share buttons at the very bottom in the footer area. From this block area, I have simply take the block and place on the footer, and then add another service, and at the very bottom, I will simply, on a style, I try to make it a little bit bigger in the setting area with the preferred social media icons. And from there, I need to simply click on save and close. For this social media sharing, I want to add a headline or a big text for them so that they can understand what these buttons are going to be used for. Simply styles, then select H2, make it bold and center, and then click on save. Let's add a divider to add a little bit of space just after this area. So already we have added all the elements for the new landing page. Now it's time to format based on our purpose. So as you can see, this yellow color or orangish color is not the brand color or anything related to my business. So for the footer area, I would like to change it to the black, because black is better as the footer area. So I'm changing it to a little bit of grayish, or what can I say, white you can say. And for the social medias on a style, simply I'm adding, let's make the buttons are white. Alright, so it looks popped up from the background color, and let's pick up the color. What I'm going to do, I'm simply activating the developer area from this. I'm simply copying, and for the button, click on a style, then change the color to our preferred brand color. And for this headline, in order to change all the headlines, I actually need to visit the page style. From there, click on page. Over here, as you can see, here is the heading 1, and then change the color to our brand color. So here, as you can see, this color has been changed. I will do for the H2 color as well, H3 color, and H4 color. That is it. So already, as you can see, the sum of the colors has been changed. And for this body area, this area, I mean, it needs to be changed to white so that it can be easily soothing or easily brandable. So here I simply change it to white, and then here you can see it has more space between the header section and the body section. So on this style area, I'm changing it to something like this, and for body page top, I'm making it almost 0. I'm changing this background color as well. Add a bit of space using this divider. Simply remove the background, and then we are almost done over here. As you can see, here are the text just under the images. I'm simply removing these texts. Alright, so we are almost ready to launch these. Okay, so let's finally preview this landing page. This is fast. This is absolutely awesome because, as you can see, the landing page, it looks really professional. So we are done with the design, with the file after successful sign up, with the headlines. So after testing and viewing everything, when everything working perfectly, you simply need to click on Save and Close. On this next page, you will notice that here are some options that needs to be customized based on your actual marketing purpose. You need to customize the elements. First of all, let's change the name of the template. Here is, let's name it as email marketing guide. Email marketing guide free giveaway. All right, so here is the page title, free email marketing guide. So this is the landing page name, the landing page URL. Let's view this URL on new tab. So it needs to be published. So you can also customize this URL as based on your domain. Already I have added the name, free email marketing guide by expert. So I just need to click over here. Looks like the page URL has been taken. Yeah, that's all right. Already it has been added as my landing page. And then click on audience and tags. I need to select the audience. I need to assign the audience with this sign up form. As you can see, I have a number of audiences. So let's make it as website signups and add a tag as email marketing. So whenever people will sign up through this landing page, they will be tagged as email marketing. So I can find them or segment them based on this tag, and then click on save. And then here is the content, which is actually the landing page that we have made. After successfully configuring the landing page, we need to click on publish. Once you click on publish, it will come up with a notification that the page is already published, and here is the link. So let's visit the page. As you can see, it's so fast, so attractive, very much professional. As you can see, here is the URL. Here is the free email marketing guide download link. Headline. Here is the subheading. Here is the video. Once I click over here, it will start playing the video. This video has to be related to your lead magnet so that people can feel inspired to download the ebook from your landing page. So here, Borhan at pages.com. So here is the Borhan. Let's click on download. Once I click on download, as you can see, here is the success download link is here. And once I click over here, download, the PDF has been downloaded on my computer. So this is all about creating a brand new landing page on Mailchimp. and delivering the giveaway or any PDF or ebook, anything that you want to simply give away using Mailchimp landing page. That's all about creating landing page on Mailchimp and give away the download. Thank you for watching this video.